Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're tired of dealing with tangled cords, messy countertops, or that frantic morning scramble trying to find your straightener, you are going to want to pay close attention to this. Today, we are diving into a total game changer for reclaiming your bathroom counter space, the Sevenblue Hair Tool Organizer. Now, this isn't just your standard ordinary plastic basket. This is a 2026 upgraded 3-in-1 universal steel holder specifically engineered to organize your blow dryer, curling iron, and flat iron all in one sleek place. The absolute best part about this upgraded model is its insane versatility. You can use it freestanding right on your vanity, wall mount it with the included extra strong adhesive backing or screws, or hang it right over your cabinet door to keep everything completely hidden away. What I love about this particular organizer is the 4-level adjustable height feature. If you decide to hang it over a cabinet door, you can easily extend it from 11.5 inches up to nearly 15 inches, so it fits your specific cabinetry perfectly. Plus, it comes with EVA foam padding on the hooks to protect your cabinet doors from ugly scratches. The heavy-duty alloy steel basket features 3 completely separate compartments, which means your expensive styling tools stay securely separated, preventing cord tangles and protecting them from damage. Whether you're dealing with a tiny apartment bathroom or just looking to declutter a hectic vanity setup, it completely transforms your morning routine. If you are ready to stop sacrificing your counter space and finally get your hair tools under control, click the link below for the best price available right now.